to Ornament 23 out of 24 ornaments. I cannot believe we made it this far. If you missed any of the ornaments, check out the description down below and I will have a link to the playlist there for you. This particular ornament is not red and green as most of my ornaments have been, but I think that it is a beautiful, adorable ornament that you could easily make. So let's jump into this tutorial.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne? For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for days of old lang syne. And here's a hand, my trusty friend, and here's a hand of thine. We'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. For old lang syne, my dear, for old lang syne, we'll talk a cup of kindness yet for old lang syne. Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and days of old lang syne?
So what do you guys think? Will you make this adorable little ball ornament? If you will, definitely let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you tomorrow for our final Christmas ornament before Christmas. Wow, I can't believe it's here. I hope that you guys are feeling ready for Christmas, not stressed out at all, and if you are, check out that description down below for some of those fun coupon codes and maybe some links to some good subscription services for you to finish out your Christmas shopping. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.